Education.
Advanced. This book is too advanced for me to read.
Beginner. She is a beginner at playing the guitar.
Biology. We learned about animals in biology class today.
Blackboard. The teacher wrote the answer on the blackboard.
Board. Please erase the writings on the board.
Bookshelf. There are many storybooks on the bookshelf.
Chemistry. My brother likes chemistry because he enjoys experiments.
Class. There are 20 students in my English class. Classmate. My classmate helped me with my homework yesterday.
Classroom. Our classroom has big windows and many desks.
Clever. Anna is very clever and always gets good marks.
Coach. The football coach taught us some new skills today.
College. My sister wants to study art at college next year.
Course. I'm taking an English course at the community center this term.
Dictionary. I used a dictionary to check the meaning of a word.
Diploma. She got a diploma after finishing high school.
Eraser. Please use an eraser to fix your mistake.
Exam. Examination. I studied hard for my chemistry exam.
Geography. In geography, we learned about mountains and rivers.
History. Did you study ancient Egypt in your history class today?
Homework. I finished my homework before dinner last night.
Information. You can find more information about the school clubs on the school website.
Instructions. During the test, we have to follow the instructions carefully.
No. Do you know how to get to this place?